Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to replace your TPMS with ease. Let's get started. First, we need to remove the tire from the vehicle and place it onto the tire changer. Next, remove the valve cap to fully deflate the tire. Now, we use the machine's clamp to press the tire bead, loosening it from the rim. Please avoid pressing directly on the valve stem. Okay, after peeling off the tire, we're going to use a tire valve tool to unscrew and take out the sensor carefully. Take your new TPMS sensor and insert it into the valve stem hole. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten it to 4 Newton meters, ensuring it's properly fastened. Alright, the TPMS installation is now complete. Then, reinstall the tire and inflate the tire to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. This is important for the TPMS to function correctly. After that, let's perform the tire balancing. When everything is done, we can reinstall the tire back onto the vehicle. Once the TPMS installation is complete, we need to perform the TPMS relearn procedure. There are 3 different ways to go about relearning our TPMS sensors, depending on what your ride is. You can find that information on the user manual of your vehicle and choose the relearn method that your vehicle can support. The first method is the auto relearn procedure. This procedure requires your vehicle to support auto relearn. If not, please seek assistance from a professional mechanic to perform OBD2 or stationary relearn procedure. The second method is the OBD2 relearn procedure. To use this method, we'll need to prepare an OBD diagnostic tool with tire pressure monitoring functions in advance. The third method is the stationary relearn procedure. This method usually requires some specific tools or techniques. It's a good idea to refer to your vehicle's manual or seek help from a professional technician at a repair store.